Süleymaniye, also known as Sülēmani, is a city in the eastern part of the Kurdistan region, Iraq. It is not far from the border between Iran and Iraq. The city is surrounded by the Izmir Range, Goyja Range, and Qaywan Range in the northeast, and Baranan Mountain in the south, and the Tasulja Hills in the west. Süleymaniye, often called the City of Culture, has a semi-arid climate with hot, dry summer and cool wet winters. The beautiful mountains in Süleymaniye are famous for their lush greenery in spring and summer. They provide a perfect setting for picnics and enjoying the breathtaking sunset while overlooking the city of Süleymani. The city center of Süleymani has an exhilarating and captivating energy that always attracts people. The cultural and enchanting atmosphere takes you away from the modern world and immerses you in the vibrant and lively life of the markets and bazaar in Süleymani. You will have the opportunity to explore the rich Kurdish culture and be delighted by the Kurdish traditions, vibrant fruit and vegetable markets, and the availability of Kurdish traditional clothing. The markets have so much more to offer, and it is truly a wonderful experience. The city of Süleymaniye, also known as Al-Süleymaniye in Arabic and some formal correspondence, was established by Prince Ibrahim from Baban tribe, also known as Ibrahim Pasha Baban, in 1784. The legend has it that while out hunting in the area, Ibrahim Pasha came across Shadazur Plain, where the city is situated. He was so taken with the spot that he decided to build a city there and named it after his father, Süleyman Pasha Baban. Unlike other cities in the region that evolved from villages, Süleymani was purposefully founded and established as a city from its inception. Last but not the least, Amnasurica is a significant historical site that tells the story of the Kurdish people's struggle during Saddam's regime. The museum showcases the harsh reality they endure through powerful sculptures, illustrations, and an art gallery featuring photographs of the prisoners, including men and women and children. It is a deeply moving experience. The Süleymani Museum is another popular attraction that offers a fascinating glimpse into the Kurdish culture and history. It is definitely worth a visit.